Cashew salt roasting machine. In addition to the main equipment in the cashew processing line, cashew factories often add an automatic salt roasting machine to season the nuts, create uniform crispiness, enhance flavor, and meet export standards.
One of the most effective innovations today is Thanh Dat Cashew Machine's cashew salt roasting machine. This equipment is specially designed to roast 20 kilograms of cashew kernels with 30 kilograms of salt per batch, using either gas or electricity as fuel. The machine integrates modern features such as automatic temperature control, roasting according to set times, vibrating salt separation, and automatic nut discharge after completion. With compact dimensions and power consumption of just 0.85 kilowatt-hours, for the gas-fueled version, the machine saves both space and operational costs. Let's build your ideal cashew factory with Thanh Dat Cashew Machine Pro. Wherever you are in the world, our team of consulting experts is always ready to partner with you from the planning stage, machinery selection, to installation and operation.